Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we delve into the fascinating world of creating a fact short channel on YouTube using artificial intelligence. A great blend of technology, creativity, and a sprinkle of your own unique personality. Step 1. Get your foundation right. Start by creating your YouTube channel. Log into your Google account, navigate to YouTube, click on user icon and select Create a Channel. Choose a catchy, easy-to-remember name for your channel that aligns with your content. Step 2. Focus on your niche. Decide what type of facts you wish to provide. It could be anything from science facts, historical facts to fun and quirky facts. Remember, the more specific your niche, the more engaged your audience will be. Step 3. Time for some AI magic. Use an AI content generator to generate your facts. Several AI software options are available such as Jarvis, OpenAI, and Fact Retriever. Simply input your topics and let the AI churn out interesting and accurate facts for you. Step 4. Create your content. Use a text-to-speech generator to convert the AI-generated facts into audio. You can then use a video editing software to compile the audio and any relevant images or animations into a video. Step 5. Optimize your channel. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos reach the right audience. Also, consistently update your channel with fresh content to keep your audience engaged. Step 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and be proactive in building a community around your channel. Step 7. Monetize your channel. Once you have a substantial number of views and subscribers, you can start monetizing your channel through YouTube's partner program. And there you have it, a successful fact short channel on YouTube using AI. It's a journey that combines creativity, technology, and a passion for sharing knowledge. And remember, the key to success is consistency. So keep creating, keep sharing, and keep engaging with your audience. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay inspired.